Hey everyone, welcome to Pada Live. So this is Anay Kumagan and today we are going to see about Mandela, a Tamil film which was premiered on Star Vijay on 4th April 2021, that is this year, just a day before election, and not a day, I think 2 days before election. So we are going to talk about it, we are going to see what the film talks, and we are going to deep dive into the understanding of the film and the message of the film. So let's go into the video.
யாரியா நீ?
மண்டேலா சலூன் வச்சிருக்க.
So talking about Mandela, Mandela is a Tamil film which released, or I would say which premiered on Star Vijay on 4th April 2021, just 2 days before the election, as I said before. So this film is a special, what do you say, it's an urge to make people vote before the elections. And if you ask me, I would say this film is a sweet example to make people understand about an importance of voting, and at the same time to understand the authenticity of the reality in villages. And the movie talks about why a vote is important, even if it's a single vote, and even if it's a corporation election, or if it's a municipal election, or if it's an MLA election, or if it's an MP election, general election. So a vote plays a major role in deciding who is going to come to the power, and why the power is important, and what is the power for. So the film tries to take a fun ride, but at the same time tells you how deeply these things are correlated. So it's a wonderful film. I really loved watching it. So coming to talk about the cast of the film, Yogi Babu plays an outcast, a barber in the village who is not allowed in any homes, or he is allowed to trim the hair outside homes, and he's accompanied by another guy who is like a helper for him. His name is not revealed. His name is like Girida Khan, and he's a Kalakpodiyar junior talent from Star Vijay. And then we have Sangali Murugan, a veteran, playing a powerful role in the film. Like, his role is very powerful, though the role is very short, but his role is very powerful. And there is a post woman played by Sheila Rajkumar, who gives the name Nelson Mandela to Yogi Babu, hence the name Mandela for the film. So how she gives the name and why she gives the name is beautiful to see. And then we have a lot of characters played by Kanna Ravi, who plays a budding politician, like not a budding politician, a person who wants to become a corporator in the area of that sort. So Kanna Ravi plays that role, and GM Sundar plays his elder brother from another mother. So there are two wives for Sangali Murugan in the film. So both are from different groups or different caste, we can say that. So it's a fight between two castes to fight for the election, and how voting makes a difference, and how what all circus goes in making the people vote is the film. The film is all about that. So Kanna Ravi, GM Sundar, and there are a lot of other characters. George Marian, who played a major role in Kaidi, he's also there in the film. And there are lot of other budding actors, upcoming actors, all newcomers, and they have acted really well. So kudos to each and everyone, like whoever has acted in this film. They have acted really well. They have looked very authentic to their looks, and to the the film, where the film is set in. So the film is set in a backdrop where you see a lot of authentic characters, people who have a lot of different kind of body language and all. So that was nice to see. To talk about the crew of the film is directed, like the story, screenplay, dialogues, everything is by Madon Ashwin, and it's a great film by him. Like, he has given all his inputs and his political understanding, political correctness, and how he deals with a subject which is so close to his heart. And at the same time, it's a film which is shot in his whole hometown of that sort. So it's a great political film, or it's a film which makes us understand about the political correctness and the political reality in these deep interiors of our country. And coming to talk about other technical crew, we can say the cinematography by Vidyu Ayanna was really nice. Like, the colors were very authentic. I mean authentic to the backdrop. And then music by Bharat Shankar, music and BGM by Bharat Shankar was amazing. Like it suited the film really well. There was a song Ela, that was also nice to hear, and at the same time it was an apt BGM used in the film. Then coming to talk about editing, I think the editing was done really well. The film was cut really well, because you can't remember any scene which was not impactful or which was not needed for the film or which was not needed for the flow of the film. So that was nice to see. And then coming to talk about the producers, the film is produced by Sashikant, a well-known producer. I think he's produced a lot of films like Tamil Padam 2, and he's producing even Jagamai Tandiram with Dhanush, which is going to coming soon on Netflix. So technically the film is very strong.
பெருசுங்களா எலெக்ஷன் முடியதுக்குள்ள எவனா மண்டே புட்டிய கொன்னுருவோம் பாத்துக்க.
நம்ம சாதி ஓட்டு ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு தெக்கூர்காரருக்கு விழுந்துச்சு அப்புறம் நடக்கிறத வேற சொல்லிட்டேன்.
Expectation from the film, like the expectation before watching this film was not that great. Like I was not at all excited for the film because the trailer cut was not impressive, or like you are not hooked into it. It's not like that something, oh I want to watch this, I'm excited to watch this. No, it was not of that kind. But once I saw the trailer, it was okay, like okay, we can watch it after people say it was of that kind. The first 30 minutes into the film has a great political insight into it. So you try to get a coherent message with a great value. You try to understand the self-explanatory message of voting, and you try to know how casteism is still prevalent in our country, and how at grassroots level we are still backward, and how we are going to face it, and how these politicians lure people in rural areas, even in urban areas as well, to vote and to give a lot of things and get voted for them. So these kind of things was amazing to see. And the film had great screenplay written. So I would say this is one of the best films to come out this year in any language, may it be Tamil. So the film was amazing to see, and it was one of the great films to come out in any language for its beautiful screenplay. Like the screenplay was not lagging at all. So you should give it a watch on Netflix, because it's available on Netflix right now. And again, it might be telecast on Vijay TV soon, because the film was viewed by a lot of people on Star Vijay. So I think you must watch it right now on Netflix for the teamwork of the film. I mean the teamwork of the crew of the film, and for a great beautiful message the film conveyed. So you must watch this film right now, and let me know how you feel about this film and how you are going to cast your vote in the next election, be it general election or any election, be it rural election or election in your state, area, anywhere. So give importance to the vote, and know your democracy right, and keep voting. So these are the tough times we are facing in our country and all around the world. The COVID second wave has hit us, and we need to be safe. We need to wear masks if at all we are going in public, and we need to sanitize our hand whenever it's possible. And if we are going, we are mingling with a lot of people, that is when we are going in public, we need to have these kind of safety measures, and we need to take ourselves more efficiently, and at the same time we need to improve our immunity, and at the same time listen to what government says and what all the health measures they are saying. We need to take care of that. And coming to talk about the vaccination, we need to have a proper information about which vaccine we are going to get vaccinated, and when we are going to get the first dose, second dose, and what all we need to do before getting vaccinated and after getting vaccinated. So we need to be careful in these times, and in these tough times. The pandemic is not yet over, and we are hitting the road as of now, and it's a roadblock for many industries, and it's a safe road for many industries, but we need to go through. We need to have a great time if we are at home, if we are in a quarantine, or if we are with our loved ones. If we are not without our loved ones, we need to take care of ourselves and all of us. So let's pray that we overcome this in a better way. Keep watching our videos. Have a great day, great evening whenever you are watching this video. See you all.